In this video, I'll show you how to set up a bypass for a login wall in accessFlow. After registering a license, accessFlow automatically audits your website for compliance issues. However, if your website requires a login, you'll need to set up specific parameters to ensure that the audit works effectively. In the top menu, go to Dashboard and then select Audit Settings. Scroll down until you find steps to bypass login walls. Next, record the steps needed to log in to your website. Select Record Steps. Enter the relative web page path for your login page. Select Confirm to start recording. Execute the steps to log in to your website. You can also add a wait time between actions by selecting the +10 seconds button on the toolbar. As you perform the actions, accessFlow captures each action and the elements they are acted upon. Once you've completed your actions, select End Recording. Now it's time to review the actions you've created. You can customize the recording as follows. If you notice any missing steps, you can manually add them by selecting Add Step. If you want to delete a step, simply select the X icon next to it. Select Save and Validate. accessFlow checks that all the steps are valid. And that's it. You've successfully set up accessFlow to bypass your website's login wall. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on using accessFlow.